Hi friends, I have something special for you today. It's an army tank with real tracks. You want to see it? Well, you will be surprised. It's an army tank, but we don't have to build it because I already built it. Let's look at this. Well, this thing has tracks. See, but I did some adjustments. There were wheels here instead of these gears, and it wasn't holding the tracks properly. So I added these gears and I did some adjustments. For starters, I put a light here and I put something here and another right here. And you see army men with weapons, right? Well, this one also has weapons. You just have to look closer. See, it's a secret compartment for all of the weapons. The cool thing is, this can turn. See? And it has a very long antenna and so many lights. And you can put a little army man inside. Also, I put the stickers on. Do you know how many pieces there are? Well, there are 324 pieces to make this army tank. Also, it's just like a real army tank. See? The name is T85. And you can just remove this army man and put it somewhere. Hope you enjoyed this video.